tailoring class, created by our Mother Teresa Charitable Trust, aims to empower women through sewing, promoting economic independence and community development. This comprehensive program provides participants with skills and confidence to succeed in fashion and textiles, reflecting our belief in every woman's inherent talent and potential. Budhnagar, New Delhi, empowering women stitch by stitch. Budhnagar blooms with creativity and skill as our free tailoring class ignites passions and opens doors to opportunity. Mathur, Tiruvallur district, Tamil Nadu. In the heart of Tiruvallur, Mathur becomes a hub of craftsmanship and determination as women learn the art of tailoring, paving their own paths to success. Harur East, Dharmapuri district, Tamil Nadu. Amidst the serene landscapes of Harur East, the rhythmic hum of sewing machines harmonizes with the aspirations of women, turning dreams into reality one seam at a time. Harur, Dharmapuri district, Tamil Nadu. Harur becomes a beacon of hope as women gather to learn the timeless skill of tailoring, weaving threads of empowerment and independence into the fabric of their lives. Padalam, Kanchipuram district, Tamil Nadu. In the quaint village of Padalam, Kanchipuram district, the spirit of tradition meets the drive for progress as women embrace the art of tailoring, stitching together a brighter future. Kollam Code, Kanyakumari district, Tamil Nadu. At Kollam Code, amidst the coastal beauty of Kanyakumari district, women find strength in unity and skill as they master the craft of tailoring, stitching their stories of empowerment. Paramavati Velur, Namakkal district, Tamil Nadu. In the serene surroundings of Namakkal district, Paramavati Velur echoes with the laughter and determination of women as they embark on a journey of skill and self-reliance through our free tailoring class. Head Office. From the bustling heart of our organization, the head office stands as a testament to our commitment to women's empowerment, offering guidance and support to all who seek to stitch their dreams into reality. Through hands-on practice and collaborative learning, we empower women to master tailoring while embracing their unique talents and aspirations, fostering a brighter future.